Okay, Jamie. Here is the living area. Look at that chandelier. This is that Harry Allen fruit ball vase. Then this is a pretty cool ass cabinet. And look at this wall with a lit up deal. See me? Look at this girl. And then we can head back into the bathroom where this sink is awesome. It's a countertop and a sink at once. Then there's this glass door, and look at this. There's a spout to the mirror, or if I turn this, it comes out of the chandelier. If we come back in here, here is the bedroom. Huge wall of closet space. So that's that.